I'm all look and you provide the cover?
I'll try my best, brother, but we're seeing double.
That gives you twice the chance of hitting someone.
Very funny.
Arthur, we got a problem. There's two arseholes on horses.
How many you say?
I just see a pair of them.
In that case, we're fighting. Marston, Smith, get ready.
You men come out the train now, do you hear? We said you men come out now!
There's only two of you fools. We got a whole lot less to lose. Why don't the two of you ride away? That way neither of you get killed. Goddamn liberties.
Ned, there's a few more of them turning up.
Me and my big mouth. Okay, let's deal